Hello students. Now today I am welcoming to you for my channel Knowledge Point. Just finished exercise 3.3. I am going to start the new chapter of class 10th, chapter 3, exercise 3.4 from NCERT book. In this context, question number 1 कहता है solve the following pair of linear equations in two variables by elimination and substitution method. You have already in the previous exercise understood the elimination method, but now again it is repeated elimination method as well as the new substitution method. So first we solve this question by elimination method. Here by elimination method, जैसा कि आपको बताया गया कि एलिमिनेशन मेथड में आइदर कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y को इक्वल किया जाता है और कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x को इक्वल किया जाता है। देन अगर इक्वल कोएफिशिएंट का सेम साइन होता है तो सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं रूल में, अगर इक्वल कोएफिशिएंट का साइन डिफरेंट होता है तो सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं। So here just first of all I write x plus y is equal to 5 equation first, 2x minus 3y equal to 4 equation second. Going to take the LCM of the coefficient of y to make the equal coefficient of variable y. We multiply the whole equation 1 by 3. So we multiplying equation 1 by 3, that means both side 3 से multiply किया, 3x plus 3y 15. Consider equation third, देखिए 3y. So adding equation 2 and 3. Okay, so you write 2x minus 3y equal to 4, 3x plus 3y equal to 15, and this should be cancelled. 2, 3, 5x 19. Okay, so here, okay, and x equal to 19 by 5. Putting this value in equation first, putting x equal to 19 by 5 in equation first, okay, we get x means 19 by 5 plus y equal to 5. So y equal to 5 minus 19 by 5. This one 25 minus 19 by 5 equal to 6 by 5. Okay. Here the another method, substitution method. By substitution method it is repeated. Substitution method. Okay. So x plus y 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Solving equation first y equal to 5 minus x, and this y value is substituted in equation 2. Substituting the value of y in equation 2, 2x minus 3, 5 minus x equal to 4, 2x माइनस 3 5 जा 15 माइनस माइनस प्लस x इक्वल टू 4, 2x प्लस x 3x इक्वल टू 4 प्लस 15, 3x इक्वल टू 19, so x इक्वल टू 19/3. Okay, sorry, here 3x, here 3 to 5x, here 5x, here 5. Again putting the value of x in equation first. So first x means 19/5 plus y 5. Y equal to 5 minus 19/5. Y equal to 25 minus 19/5 equal to 6/5. Hence x equal to 19/5, y equal to 6/5. So just question number 2, again we have to complete it by elimination and substitution method. First we apply elimination method. By elimination method. So here 3x plus 4y, 10 is the equation first, 2x minus 2y, 2 equation second. You see, to make the coefficient of the y, it is multiplied by 2. 2 to the 4 and this is 4. So multiply equation 2 by 2. 2 to the 4x minus 4y, 2 to the 4. Third, now 4y minus 4y plus. So adding 1 and 3. Adding equation 1 and 3. 1, that means 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. 4x minus 4y equal to 4. 4 3 7x, 14. So here x equal to 14/7, 2. Now putting the value of x in equation first. Okay, so in first 3x plus 4y, 10, that means 4y. 10 minus 3 2 is 6. 4y equal to 4, so y equal to 4 upon 4 equal to 1. Hence x equal to 2, y equal to 1. Now just it is verified by substitution method. So by substitution method, equation first 3x plus 4y, 10, 2x minus 2y, 2. Now solving equation first. So we get 4y, 10 minus 3x, y equal to 10 minus 3x by 4. Now here we use substituting the value of y in equation second. So 2x minus 2, 10 minus 3x by 4 is equal to 2. 2 to the 4x minus 10 minus plus 3x equal to 2 to the 4. 7x इक्वल टू माइनस प्लस 10 प्लस 4 यानी 14. So x equal to 14 by 7 equal to 2. Putting the value of x in equation first. So that means 3 into 2 plus 4y 10. 4y 10 minus 3 2 ja 6. 4y equal to 4. Y equal to 4 upon 4 1. Hence x equal to 2, y equal to 1. So question number 2 students completed. Students, now I am going to start question number 3 of question number 1. Here this is in general form and we have to solve by elimination method. Elimination. We have to write this equation in this form: 3x minus 5y a1x plus b1y equal to c1, and this also 9x minus 2y equal to 7. We have to make the coefficient, okay, x. LCM of 9 and 3 is 9, so this is multiplied by 3 and we make the coefficient of x 9 in equation first. So multiply equation 1 by 3. This is 3 3 ja 9x, 3 5 ja 15y, 3 4 ja 12. Now we subtract 2 3. So subtracting not adding. यहाँ सब्ट्रैक्टिंग इसलिए यूज करते हैं कि 9 9 का साइन जो है वह इक्वल है. सब्ट्रैक्टिंग इक्वेशन थर्ड को करते हैं फ्रॉम 2. फ्रॉम 2 का मतलब कि 2 को पहले लिखते हैं. 9x माइनस 2y इक्वल टू 7 लिखते हैं. अगेन 9x माइनस 15y को 12 लिखते हैं और साइन सब्ट्रैक्ट में चेंज करते हैं. तो ये कैंसिल हो गया और 15 में 2 गया 13. y इक्वल टू 12 में 7 गया तो क्या हो गया -5. सो y इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा, ओके, y इज इक्वल टू, हेयर यू सी, मल्टीप्लाइड इक्वेशन 1 by 3 दैट मीन्स 9x और माइनस 15y इक्वल टू 4 3 is 12. Okay, yes, it is correct. Now here -5 by 13 and putting the value of y in equation first में डालते हैं 3x minus 5 by 13 equal to 4. Okay, 13 3 ja 39 minus plus 25 equal to 13 4 ja 52. Okay, here x 39x equal to 52 minus 25. 39x is equal to 12 में 5 7, 4 में 2 2. So x equal to 27 by 39. 27 by 39 3 9 ja 3 13 ja. So x equal to 9 by 13. Hence x equal to 9 by 13 and y equal to, okay, -5 by 13. You can check it, and 9 minus 5, no, after that you can check by using elimination method if you got same answer. So by elimination method just starting. by substitution method. By substitution method. Here 3x minus 5y is equal to 4 equation first, and 9x minus 2y equal to 7 second. Solving equation first, we get 3x minus 4 equal to 5y. So y equal to 3x minus 4 by 5. अब इस वैल्यू को 2 में सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. ओके, सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ y in equation second, and second equation 9x minus 2 and y, that means 3x minus 4 by 5 is equal to 7. 5 9 जा 45x minus 2 3 जा 6x minus minus plus 8 equal to 7 5 जा 35. Now we get 45. 39x equal to 35 minus 8. So x equal to 27 by 39. 3 9 जा 3 13 जा 9 by 13. Putting the value of x in equation first, we get, that means our equation first is here 3x, 3 into 9 by 13 minus 5y equal to 4. So 3 9 is 27 by 13 minus 4 equal to 5y. 27 minus 52 by 13 is equal to 5y. 12 में 7 5 and 4 में 2 2 by 13 5 जा 65 equal to y. Here minus, so y equal to minus 5 by 13. Okay, so this has been cleared that in both process the value of x is equal to 9 by 13 and y equal to minus 5 by 13. So students, 3 of 3. Now students, just the 4 of question number 1. 4 of question number 1, and you have to take the attempt for elimination as well as substitution. So first elimination method we adopt by elimination method. Okay, first you simplify this equation. 2 and 3, LCM of 2 and 3 6. So 6 by 2, that means in simplified form. In simplified, okay, multiplied by 6 both part. 6 by 2 3x and 6 2 is 12 by 3 4y equal to minus 6. This is the equation first, and this would be simplified. 1 3, LCM 3, so multiplied by 3 3 3, so it becomes 3x minus y only equal to 9. Multiply this equation by 2, by 4, make the coefficient of y equal. Multiply equation 2 by 4. Okay, 4 3 is 12x minus 4y 36. Now 4y, adding 1 and 3. Adding 1 and 3. Okay, 3x plus 4y minus 6. 12x minus 4y 36. Okay, 15x 30, because plus 36 minus 6, so x 30 by 15, x the value 2. Now putting the value of x, putting the value of x in equation first, and here first 3x, 3 into 2 plus 4y minus 6, 3 2 जा 6, 4y equal to minus 6 and 3 2 जा 6, minus 6 और minus 6, y equal to minus 12 by 4 equal to minus 3. Hence x equal to 2, y equal to minus 3. Now it is used substitution method. Substitution method for equation first, you see x by 2, 2y by 3 minus 1, and x minus y by 3, 3 equation 2. It is the root equations. And now solving equation first. So we get 2y by 3 minus 1 minus x by 2. That means here 2y by 3 is equal to minus 2 minus x by 2. Here you see just 2 to the 4y, 3 to the minus 6 minus 3x, y equal to minus 3 minus 3x by 4, and this value put in equation 2, substituting the value of y in equation 2, x minus y by 3 means 1 by 3 y minus 6 minus 3x by 4, 3 4 is 12, 12x minus minus plus 6 minus minus plus 3x, and here is equal to 3, 3 4 is 12, 12 3 is 36. So here 12 3 15x equal to 36 minus 6, x equal to 30 by 15 is equal to 2. Now you see x value 2, x value 2. Putting the value of x, in equation first. That means 2 by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. This one 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1 minus 1. 2y equal to minus 2 into 3 minus 6. Y equal to minus 6 by 2. Y equal to minus 3. Hence we got x equal to 2, y equal to minus 3, and this the last question of question number 1 of exercise 3.4 completed. On that way all the 4 sections of the question 1 completed now.